Welcome back to our series on Windows Kernel Exploitation. In the previous tutorial, we learned how to create Hello World driver. Now in part 3, we are diving into HEVD, the HackSys Extreme Vulnerable Driver from GitHub. Today we are going to explore how to download, load and prepare this driver to kernel vulnerability exploitation. Let's jump into it without wasting any time. So just go here, search HEVD driver for GitHub. You will see this repository hack system. So yeah, and after that, if you click on this link, you can see the source code. But I'll tell you, you can go ahead with the pre-compiled binary. You can download this zip. I'm not going to download it again because I've downloaded it already. You just need to extract it in the folder wherever you want these vulnerable driver files. So I already had these in here. Yep, in C drive. Okay, project HEVD build driver vulnerable x86 is x86 x64. So yeah, this is the file path. You also need to create same file path to get the PDB file. Sometimes there is an error in PDB, so just follow this one as well if you don't want to encounter or break your head somehow during this analysis. So yeah, that's it. So go to OSR loader and you need to load the that driver hevd.sys first. If there is already loaded, okay, it's not installed or something like that, I'm gonna register it. Okay, now I'm gonna start it. Now I'll break it. You need to press alt plus delete to break the kernel. Here we'll check whether HEVD.sys driver is loaded inside the memory or not. For that we'll use this command load module m start, anything with starting with h we can see. So we can see here it's there. Okay, so we can just directly click on it to see, or you can write this command as well, or you can just click here. So you can see HEVD driver and browse all global variable function data symbol reload. Okay, so now we need to check the functions. Okay, what are the functions inside this? Okay, so yep, there's an error. Okay, you can see it's trying to find this PDB file in this path, but it's not there in this path. So what we have to do, we can copy we can I'll say go for now. We can copy this one project folder directly with the same path. Okay, and paste it in. Yeah, and you can go ahead and paste it in. See here. Okay, so I've made few changes as well. So you can see here, there is this path syshevd.pdb symbol syshevd. So we need to create these directories as well and put these files over there. So to troubleshoot this error, I'll show you like this. I created this folder and I put the sim data here. They need only pbd file, but I put everything just in case. So yeah, like in sys file as well. So yeah, so if I break this time, all plus delete again, and I'll say reload dot reload, reloading all the kernel symbols. Now I'll go and check lm mh star, and I'll open this and I'll check for functions. Now boom, you can see all the functions starting with alphabet A are there: allocate fake object, non-paged, allocate object, non-paged pool. So we want to see buffer overflow functions. You can go here, click on buffer overflow flow functions. So you can see these are all there inside this binary. So yep, this is it. And you can after this you can see these function handles like buffer flow, buffer overflow, stack IOCTL handler are where the vulnerability resides. Each one corresponds to different types of exploits such as buffer overflow in stack or heap, null differences, and other security issues that we're gonna discuss in the upcoming videos. So now that we have set up the environment, loaded the driver, and ensured we have the symbols, we are ready to exploit these vulnerabilities. That's it for setting up HEVD in this episode. In the next video, we will jump into specific exploitation technique like buffer overflow exploitation, stack smashing, and more. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated for the next part of our series on Windows kernel exploitation. Leave comment below if you have any question or need any help with the setup. See you next time folks, and happy hacking. Boom.